If your truck's exterior door handle is broken, replacing it with a Dorman replacement handle is the perfect solution. Designed to match the appearance and function of the original equipment, this exterior door handle provides a seamless fit, making it look and perform just like the stock handle. Not only does it restore the functionality of your vehicle's door, but it also offers excellent value, providing original equipment quality at a more affordable price. Whether you're dealing with a cracked or damaged handle, this direct replacement ensures an easy installation process. Simply double-check your vehicle's make, model, and trim level using the garage tool to confirm that you've selected the correct handle for the specific side and position. With Dorman's limited lifetime warranty backing this product, you can be sure you're getting a reliable, long-lasting solution. Upgrade your vehicle's functionality today and stop crawling through the passenger side. Click the link in the description to buy this Dorman exterior door handle and subscribe for more product recommendations.